Hey there guys, Mr. Anderson here. Sorry that I'm not here today, but that does not mean that you cannot get your stuff done today. So, today your research page is due for your future presentations starting next week. I want to give Annika and Fidel a little props because I'm going to use their stuff as examples just to stick with the Rene Magritte theme. So, don't forget, all the stuff that you need for the research artist paper or page is here. So, right, you have your Twitter page, you have a quote, you have your 20-image slideshow, and your timeline. Now, the last thing that you need to add is basically the piece that you just made in the original piece. So remember how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop two of these images in here. I'm going to put them next to each other. And then I'm going to add a text box on the bottom of that. So, for my text, I can say something like my interpretation of Magritte's interpret. So you can tell I'm not an English teacher. No, still not? Alright. Let's change that then to my reflection. And this painting is called The Son of Man. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and use Fidel's over here. So I'll take the original image, drag and drop that there. And then I'll take Fidel's sculpture and drag and drop that there. Then I'm all set. So that should be at the bottom of basically your research artist page. And then if you want to add any supplemental information, add that so you're ready for your presentation, jazz it up, make it look nice, and then hit your publish button, right? And you'll publish it, and you'll be good and ready to roll. So once you publish it, right, add the link into the Google Classroom and turn it in so I can check it before your presentation. The other thing I want you to do is make sure you go to the Google Classroom, check that calendar, and make sure that you have a presentation date. Some of you are going next week, so be prepared for that, all right? For those of you who are new to the class, you may be like, what am I supposed to be doing? What I want you to do is I've already shared that link for establishing this Weebly web page. I want you to work on that. You're making the online portfolio, and you're going to add that first research artist piece, and you can add a caption to that as well, all right? So another thing with that caption that we could do as well, and we should actually do, is so for this, I'm going to say clay and paint, because that's I know Fidel used in parentheses. So remember, we got to remember to do that. And obviously now that I did that, I'd have to republish it, okay? The other thing is I'm not going to be here Thursday or Friday, so make sure that you bring headphones to the next class, because there is an assignment. You need to watch something, so you're going to want your earbuds or your headphones for that, all right? So good luck. Have a good rest of your week, and I will see you next week. All right. Good luck.